Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes computer class 8th class. 8th class we are reading chapter 4 more on HTML. In last video I already told you what is the meaning of HTML, what is the meaning of tag, attributes and some symbols. In today's video I will explain you how to make HTML document. So make it, we want a structure. It is a proper syntax. In this, all HTML file should include at least the following 4 tags. HTML. HTML tag is a requirement because we are writing our HTML text on Notepad. So we need to give them HTML first tag because it will explain to Notepad we are working on HTML. Means ये उसे बताता है कि हम HTML पर काम करेंगे. This tag indicate that the document has been written in HTML. HTML ending tag, it indicates the end of the HTML document. Title, this tag is used to give a title to the HTML document, like whatever is our title, solar system. Title tag, it is used to end the title. This is ending title. Head, in this tag we give the heading of the web page. Ending head, it is used to end the headings. I already told you we have couples tag, body tag. This is the main content of our page. Whatever we are going to write, we need to write in the body tag. This tag contains the body of the web page. It is the area where most of the work is done. Ending body tag, it is used to end the body. The content between body starting and body tags are displayed in the web browser. I already told you in the last online class, whatever I writing in the between the tags, it will display, otherwise nothing. Creating and saving HTML document. So we are going to create and how to save. First of all, we will open our Notepad. HTML documents are also called web pages. Now let us learn how to create a new HTML document or a web page using a text editor such as Notepad. To create a new HTML document, follow the given steps. First of all, open Notepad and type the HTML code. Click the file menu wherever we just save option, the save as dialog box appear. Choose the folder in which we want it to save and then type the name of the file allowed by a suffix .html. Whenever we are going to save, we need to give them .html. This is the proper extension. If you will not give them, it will not save and it will not work. HTML, for example, first .html. Click the save button. In normal words, we are going to start, so we go on the Notepad. We just write and after that, we will click on the file, click on the save. We will give them any name with the extension .html or .htm. And last and final, save. Next topic is how to view an HTML document. It is normal. How to view any file in our computer? We just click on the file. After that, there is open button. In this, we just search in browse option. Whatever file we have, we just search. And after that, we just click on the open button. And after that, it will open. This is the way of the opening. So, according to me, this chapter is finished. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.